Hey guys, today I'm going to show you real quick how to replace a front countershaft sprocket on this is a 2017 KTM EXC 500F. So first off, put your bike in gear. I just started in first, and then I obviously removed the rear wheel already, but you're going to use a 17 millimeter. I didn't even use an impact, I just used this ratchet here. Break this loose, it's normal, so lefty loosey, righty tighty. So once you break this loose, you'll pull the bolt off with the washer, set that aside. Then you'll pull your old sprocket off, make sure you got the washer off, and this is, I think, the OEM one, so it's got like some kind of rubber seal gaskets on it. Then you're gonna have this, and you're gonna want to clean these splines off somewhat. Doing this all one-handed, so bear with me. After that's clean, take some grease, grease your splines a little bit. Go ahead and take your new sprocket. The flat end should face out towards you. Just slide that on, just like that. Make sure it's nice and even and flush. And after that, you'll take your bolt. People say to use blue Loctite, but I'm going to use red. Probably a little too much, but it's going on a sprocket. So I'll take your washer, wipe it up real quick. Set your bolt up like that. You're going to start this by hand the best you can, and then it's very tight because it's got old lock thread on it. So take your ratchet. I would do this by hand before you crank on it with the impact. Just get it started, get it all tight, and once it's all tight, obviously it's not tight now, but once you tighten it all up, then you're going to torque it down to whatever the book says. And that should be everything. Good luck.